Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to share valuable insights into the world of voltage sensors and their pivotal role in predictive maintenance. In this video, we'll dive deep into how these wireless sensors can become your maintenance team's right hand, and how they can facilitate predictive maintenance decisions. We'll discuss their varied uses, with a specific focus on AC and DC voltage sensors. So, if you are a part of a maintenance or operations team, this video is a must-watch. Now let's get started. Let's dive into the world of voltage sensors and their role in predictive maintenance. These wireless sensors are your maintenance team's best friends, alerting them to potential problems with any device emitting electricity. They can be placed on a range of equipment, including devices, other sensors, or batteries. The data they collect is sent back to a central location where a maintenance manager can analyze it and make predictive maintenance decisions. But what are some common uses for voltage sensors? Let's find out. First up, we have AC voltage sensors. These sensors, which measure AC voltage levels, have a wide variety of applications. One of their key roles is in power demand control. By monitoring voltage levels, these sensors can help ensure a steady supply of power when it's needed. Next, they're essential for power failure detection. A power failure can lead to significant downtime losses, but immediate notification from a voltage sensor can help minimize larger problems. In the realm of hydraulic equipment, voltage sensors play a crucial role in load sensing. They can help detect problems with pump functioning, ensuring the equipment runs smoothly. Safety switching is another area where AC voltage sensors shine. If there's a faulty wire or other electrical issue, these sensors can trip the safety switching system, preventing electrical shock. They provide round-the-clock monitoring to keep your team safe. Lastly, AC voltage sensors are vital for motor overload control. The last thing you want is an overloaded motor. These sensors can detect an excessive current draw and alert you before an overload results in damage. But what about DC voltage sensors? These sensors, designed to monitor DC voltage levels, are typically used in similar but distinct cases. One of their main uses is in energy management control systems. Voltage sensors can help optimize an energy generation and transmission system within a facility, ensuring everything runs efficiently. They're also crucial for building control systems. The mechanical and electric systems within a building need to run smoothly every day. Voltage sensors can be placed on key components to signal any potential issues. Fault detection is another area where DC voltage sensors excel. They can guide facility management to potential faults before they become major problems, saving time and resources. Data acquisition is a critical part of a good predictive maintenance program. DC voltage sensors can ensure that data is accurately collected, providing the insights needed for effective maintenance. Lastly, even though temperature sensors are available, voltage sensors can check the voltage being emitted from these temperature control systems. This can signify an issue that requires maintenance, helping to prevent potential problems. In addition to AC and DC voltage detectors, there are also specialized sensors for high voltage requirements. Many of the latest developments in voltage sensors employ fiber optic components, offering advanced capabilities for your maintenance needs. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of voltage sensors and their vital role in predictive maintenance. Whether it's AC or DC, power demand control, or fault detection, these sensors are a crucial tool for any maintenance team. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of voltage sensors in predictive maintenance, their varied uses, and how they can be your maintenance team's best friend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping your maintenance and operations teams be more successful.